Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 77 in Physics Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, you will find this question at the bottom of page 531. We're talking about a Newtonian reflecting telescope. Now, the Newtonian reflector has an open entryway for light rays to come in. The red now represents light rays coming in. They strike the concave objective mirror and then bounce off a flat mirror to get to the eyepiece, which is a convex lens or a set of convex lenses. So the light comes in, reflects off this concave mirror, comes to a focus somewhere, and then I'm not sure whether the focus occurs before or after the flat mirror. I guess it depends on the design. Ideally, I suppose it would occur pretty close to where the flat mirror is. But anyway, we have two focal lengths involved here. We have the focal length of the objective, which we might call f sub O, and the focal length of the eyepiece, which we might call f sub E. If we want to calculate the magnification of a telescope like this, we need to know both these focal lengths, the focal length of the objective, which is usually fixed, and the focal length of the eyepiece, which we can change by swapping out eyepieces. We need to have these in the same units, and in this particular question, they're in millimeters. F sub O is 1500 millimeters. And F sub E, as we are given it here, is 30 millimeters. So the magnification factor of this telescope will be 1500 divided by 30, and that works out to 50 times, or 50 power. Sometimes you'll hear it say 50 power. So this particular Newtonian reflecting telescope magnifies its distant objects, stars, galaxies, planets, by a factor of 50. If we were to cut the focal length of the eyepiece in half, say to 15 millimeters, then we'd get 100 magnifications, double. If we were to double the focal length of the eyepiece to 60 millimeters, we'd cut the magnification factor to 25. These are pretty realistic figures for Newtonian reflecting telescopes. Anyway, 50 power or 50 magnifications in this question is choice C.